Hey, how's it going? Jeff here, and welcome to the very first step of the Amazon affiliate training series that I put together for you. I'm so excited that you're here to learn how to make Amazon affiliate commissions. In this very first step, what we are going to be covering is how to set up your very own Amazon affiliate website in 10 minutes or less. Now, there are three very important tools that we are going to need to do this. So I'm going to be covering all of this. I'm going to hop over to the computer and show you exactly how to set everything up and all that good stuff right here in this very first step. So while I hop over to the computer and get everything ready, I want to show you the store builder that we're going to be using. Now, this store builder is absolutely amazing. In a push of a few buttons, you'll have all of your products put into your store. It automatically populates your store based on your keyword or your niche. You'll be able to add products that you want. Those product pages are created automatically. They automatically import YouTube video reviews of the product. They automatically import content for you. So it's all set up, ready to go for you right out of the box. This thing is absolutely amazing, and I think you'll totally agree with me once you watch this short video. So check this video out real quick and get to know the store builder that we're going to be using. I'm going to hop over here to the computer, get everything set up, and I'll meet you over there right after the video. Thank you so much and enjoy.
Let's agree on one thing. The most important thing in internet marketing is finding a system that will always work. And we all know the best and most powerful such system is by far affiliate marketing. In fact, there are more internet millionaires from selling affiliate products than all other niches combined. You can see right here how we used a stupid, simple affiliate review site to become one of the top affiliates using that same strategy. And the best part is that you can now do the same. So far, building an affiliate site has been hard. You had to set up WordPress, pay a designer for a professional theme, manually add your products, and waste hours writing your reviews or recording your videos. And at the end of the day, you still had to figure out a way to actually drive traffic and make sales. Because the entire process is so complex, time-consuming, and downright expensive, making simple 1K per day commissions from affiliate marketing quickly became an experience that's reserved for the top 1% of marketers. Now today, we're changing all that from the ground up by offering a cost-effective solution with zero limitations. Get this, it does it all for you. That's right, starting today, there's a simple web app that builds instant one-click affiliate sites that get you autopilot viral traffic, build your list, make you sales, all while having a stunning design, being mobile-friendly and SEO optimized. It literally builds a completely done-for-you, high-converting affiliate store in 60 seconds flat, and it runs on autopilot, making you commissions every day. Introducing Shop Express. With our web app Shop Express, you now can build a stunning website with one click, automatically populated with affiliate products that make you commissions. 100% autopilot curation adds video reviews from YouTube. Proprietary viral traffic formula automatically gets you viral traffic from Facebook, and it's all self-updating every single day. The software, it's incredibly easy to use. Here, let me show you how it works. Now, all you have to do is log in into our web interface and insert your keywords or niche. Now, Shop Express goes ahead and creates a stunning website for you full of high-quality affiliate products. All of these products have your ID that you can add in the back end of the site, so you're making commissions on all of them. Next, it curates video reviews from YouTube for these products. Videos raise conversions by 80%, as you know, and get you ranked highly in Google. The Shop Express uses our secret proprietary technology to drive thousands of visitors to your site using the power of Facebook viral traffic. And it's all done on autopilot and self-updates every single day. Plus, you get extra amazing features such as 5 premium templates to fully customize your site, as well as a stunning design that improves conversions. So the end result? Well, it looks like this: a clean, modern site that's ready in 60 seconds and making you money from day one, all with zero effort. That means with Shop Express, you're now combining the three biggest niches online into one seamless solution that does it all for you. You're tapping into selling 1K per day with affiliate products from Amazon. You're getting thousands of daily hits with viral traffic from Facebook. You're curating video reviews that get you better conversions, #1 rankings, and free SEO traffic. And now, finally, all you have to do is push a button and enjoy simple affiliate income that you don't have to worry about. It's all fully automated with more traffic, better rankings, and improved conversions over anything else you've ever seen before. We've put a lot of effort into Shop Express to make sure it's a winning solution for you. So don't wait any longer and click the buy button below to get access to Shop Express during the early bird launch that includes a massive $100 discount, and you get our platform with lifetime access. We're excited to step into this new era of marketing together. Welcome to Shop Express.
All right, so what did you think about the Shop Express software that is going to build our Amazon affiliate stores for us, right? It's pretty amazing. So within just a few clicks of a button, you can have your own high converting Amazon affiliate store up and going. What I'm going to do now is hop over to the computer and show you the other tools that we are going to need to be able to install this store to our website. So join me over on the computer and let's jump into this thing and get started. I hope that you're excited. I hope that you see where this is going. And I know that this is going to help you tremendously to make Amazon affiliate commissions very quickly. Join me over the computer right now.
All right, so the first thing that we are going to need to do is choose a domain name that we can use for our Amazon affiliate store. So what you want to do is think about the types of products that you are going to be promoting from your store, what types of products you want to have people find whenever they land on your domain, right? And then you want to choose a domain name that is highly brandable and highly memorable. Now, you want to make this domain name about 3 words, no more than that, just because it's so easy for people to remember a 3-word phrase versus a 5-word phrase or 7-word phrase or whatever, right? So, whenever you are choosing your domain name, make sure that it's something that people are going to be able to identify your products with whenever they land on your store, right? So the first thing we're going to do is choose a domain name. I use GoDaddy. You can use whoever you want. There's plenty of domain providers out there. So just use whichever one you want and then search for your domain and choose one and go ahead and buy it. So do that now. Go ahead and pause this and do that, and then unpause it, and we'll continue with the training. Okay, so hopefully by now you have your domain name all picked out. I'm pretty sure you picked out a good one, so we're in business there. The next thing you're going to need is a hosting account. What your hosting account is going to do is make your domain name visible. So when someone goes to a certain website, like you came to my website, you can only see it online because it is on a hosting account. So that's what hosting does for you, is it allows you to make your domain visible to anyone who types it in or clicks on a link or whatever they may do, right? So you're going to need a hosting account, and I have used HostGator for about the last 5 years. Very reliable hosting service. I highly recommend HostGator over a lot of the others out there. So you could choose whichever hosting service you want. But HostGator starts out at $3.95 per month, so it's not a huge expense right up front. It's very easy to work with. They have excellent customer support. If you get stuck or if you need help setting something up or anything like that, it's 24/7, 365 technical support. So you're going to be able to get set up and going very quickly, right? So what you want to do is you want to go over to HostGator and get a hosting account. and then we will continue with the training after that. So go ahead and pause this video now, click on the button right below, and go over to HostGator and get your hosting. All right, so hopefully you were able to get your hosting account set up and squared away, and you should have access to your account by now. Now, what you're going to do is when you log in, you're going to go over to the folder called Hosting in your dashboard, and then you're going to go over to Install WordPress with Marketplace. So what you're going to do is click on this Quick Launch Install. And what that is going to do is take you over to your cPanel. All right. And so once you get there, you're going to see WordPress right here in the middle, right? Now this may change depending on when you're taking this training, but it should stay pretty much the same. Just make sure you locate WordPress and then click on that. All right, and then once you do that, you're going to click on the domain that you have. So I have multiple domains, but your domain will be either already pre-populated, or you'll just click on your drop down and you'll be able to select the domain that you're going to be installing WordPress to, right? And then just leave this directory blank and go to next. It's going to ask you for your admin details, your username and password that you're going to use to log into WordPress and all that stuff. So go ahead and take care of that right now, and then we'll get on to the next step and have our Shop Express installed. I'm going to walk you through every part of that. It's very, very easy to do. Takes about 3 minutes. So go ahead and pause this now, get WordPress installed, and then meet me right back here. We'll continue with the training. All right. All right, so hopefully you were able to go ahead and get that hosting set up, and you were able to get WordPress installed to your domain name, and you are ready to rock and roll. All right, so I'm over here in the Shop Express dashboard, and one thing I forgot to mention before is that I have placed buttons right below this training that links to everything that we're using here. So you've got a button to get a domain name, a button to get your hosting, and a button to get access to Shop Express, right? So make sure that you have access to Shop Express for this next step. You're going to need it in order to log into the dashboard and all that stuff and get it installed to your site. So once you have access to Shop Express, make sure that you're logged in, and this is the dashboard that you're going to land on, right? So you'll see over here on the left that we have several different options to choose from. We have our download section, we have training, we have bonuses that come with Shop Express, we have the help desk, we have settings, which are not that important, it's just your profile, and then we have your subscription settings. So what we're going to do is first we're going to go to the training section, because I want to show you that every bit of the training that you're going to need is located in the Shop Express training section. So you'll be able to see step by step how to install the Shop Express package and every bit of the technical aspects that come along with it. It's very simple, as you'll see in the next couple of minutes. I'm going to walk you through how to install it. However, if my directions aren't clear enough or anything like that, you can simply watch the second video in the training series, and it'll walk you step by step how to install the Shop Express package to your domain name, right? But anything else that you're going to need to know, like adding categories, adding tags, adding products, which is obviously the most important thing, and setting up your Amazon affiliate account and all that stuff, right? Your Instagram and Facebook, every bit of the things you're going to need to know for Shop Express are located right here in the training section. So I'm not going to waste your time with going through everything with you right now on those features. All I want to do is show you how to rock and roll, get this Shop Express set up so that we can start building out our store, right? Okay, so that is the training section. What we're going to go to next is downloads, and we're going to click on Shop Express, right? And so that's going to pop open this download window where you can download the Shop Express package. I've already done that before we got started here. The next important piece of information you're going to need is the licensing. We'll come back to that here in just a second. So once you click on download, you'll get a zip folder that looks like this. Just leave it down there, or make sure that it's in a location where you can find it later on. All right. So what we're going to do next is go back to our hosting dashboard here, and we're going to click on File Manager. All right. This is going to allow us to manage the files that are in our domain, right? So we're going to click on Public HTML. We're going to locate your domain name. If you've only got one, it's probably just going to look like this right here. All right, so I just found my domain that I'm going to be installing this to, which is tooltimereviews.com. So obviously I'm going to be selling woodworking tools and just tools in general. This is going to be a review site, which is one of the strategies that we will cover in a later training, right? All right, so once we're here, what we need to do is go up here in the top left, and we're going to click on the plus folder, right? So add a new folder. All right, we're just going to name it shop. All right, you can name it whatever you want to, but this is going to be called shop for my particular store. So it's going to be tooltimereviews.com/shop is what people will actually land on. So then I click on create a new folder. All right, then I see this folder here. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I am going to upload a file. So I'm going to say upload up there at the top. Then I'm going to take this file. I'm just going to drag it right up here, right? I'm going to drop it in there. It's going to start uploading this file to my shop folder that we created, right? So every part of this file is going to upload as the zip file, and then we'll just have to take a couple of more steps and we are going to be in business, right? So I'm going to let this upload for just a second, and then when it's finished, we're going to hop back over to our shop folder. There's just like I said, a couple of more steps that we need to take. So that is done. Let me close that down, and we're going to click on the reload button. All right, and then we are going to click on the folder, and we are going to click on extract, right? And you'll be able to find the extract button right up here on the top right. We're just going to click on that button. It's going to pop that open. We're going to say extract files. Okay, and then all that's going to pop up. We're going to say close, and then we are going to hit the reload button once again. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this Shop Express folder here. I'm just going to delete it. All right, because I don't need it anymore. All right, so now we have our Shop Express installed to our hosting, right? Installed to our shop folder. So now if I go to the shop, it's going to show my Shop Express software located in that folder. All right, so what we're going to need to do now is we're going to go over to the domain name. I'm going to click on put in the folder that I installed, right? Now there's going to be a few things that we're going to need here. So this is automatically going to check the status of your hosting, right? So if any of these are not checked, you will need to get in touch with HostGator and find out how to get them to meet the minimum requirements. However, HostGator should cover all those anyway. As you can see, all of mine are checked automatically, right? So then we're going to go to next. All right, and it's going to ask us for some information. Now it's going to ask us for a host name. We're going to put in local host, right? That's what you're going to put in that section. Then it's going to ask us for a database name, a username, and a password. So what we're going to need to do here is create a database. But don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. So just bear with me here. So what we're going to need to do is go over to our cPanel, and we're going to locate databases over here, or you could just simply scroll down to the databases section here, and we're going to be looking for MySQL Database Wizard. Once you click on that, it's going to walk you through each step you need to take, right? So the first thing we're going to do is create the database. So you can put any name you want in for the database. I'm going to call mine Tooltime Shop, and then I'm going to click on next step. All right, so it's asking me for the username for the database. You'll need to open a notepad because you need to have these credentials handy for the step that we need to take over in Shop Express to connect the database to the software, right? So for the username, I'm going to say tooltime user, or I'm just going to say tooltime. All right, and then password, you can make up any password that you want. Just make sure it's a secure password. You have to have capital letters, lowercase letters, numbers, all that good stuff. The usual stuff to create passwords. And then we're going to create user, right? All right. So then once you do that, what we're going to do is uh, select all privileges. Okay. And then we're going to go to the next step. And our database has been created, right? All right. So now we're going to hop back over here. Now we have our database name. All right. Let's grab that real quick. So you're going to copy everything inside the quotes, not the quotes themselves, just everything inside, right? Then we're going to go back over to the software. We're going to paste in that database name. Then we've got our username and we've got our password. Okay, and then we've got our URL. Everything looks good. Let's click on next step. And we got this error here. All right, so what I did is I copied the username wrong. All right, so we're just going to put it right back in. All right, so we're going to go back over and click on the databases, right? Just the straight up MySQL database. You can also get it from down here over on your dashboard in HostGator. You can just click on File Manager. All right, and then we'll go back over to our database name. All right, so we've got our database name here. So we're going to copy that, come back over. We're going to paste that in. All right, then we've got our database username. All right, and it's going to be here, and that's the part I messed up on last time. So we're just going to copy that. The little part in front of it is what I didn't put in last time. All right, and then what I'm going to do is put my password in, and then click on next step. All right, and you can see that was pretty quick and painless besides the error there. All right, and now I'm just going to enter my administrator name. So I'm just going to say Jeff. The site URL is fine. Enter your email address here, company name. All right, and your password. All right, and then confirm your password, and then next step. All right, now we only have one more step to take. You can see that none of this is confusing. Every bit of it is straightforward and easy to do. Only takes a couple of minutes. And we're all set up. We just need to do one more thing. All right, so what we're going to do from here is click on admin. All right, and then we're going to log in here using our credentials. All right, now we just need to license our store, right? So what we're going to do here is we're going to go back over to our Shop Express dashboard to where I said we would need to click on the licensing before, right? So if you haven't done so already, you need to generate a key. And then what that's going to do is generate you a license key. So you're just going to copy that license key and you're just going to plug it right into the box that asks for it. And then click here to license the store. All right, and now Shop Express has been activated. So now you have access to your Shop Express in the dashboard of your site. What you'll need to do to log in each time is just go to the domain name and the folder you have it installed in. So that's why I recommend something like shop or store or something like that, right? And so then you'll put in that folder name, and after the / you'll go to store admin, right? So it's right up here when you log into the dashboard. You may even want to bookmark this, so I'm just going to go ahead and bookmark it, and we're going to call it Tool Time Reviews Shop Express Dashboard. All right, and then boom, and now every time I want to log in, I'll just go to my bookmarks tab and log in. All right, so boom, there it is. And like I said, all of your training and everything else is going to be inside of the Shop Express training section here. So you'll be able to go through how to add products, tags, set up everything for automation, One thing that you'll need to definitely set up is this cron job here. So we'll need to use that, and that is pretty straightforward and simple. You can follow you'll be able to follow the tutorial, the training in the Shop Express to be able to do that. But you'll just do it back here in your cPanel here. And what you'll do is we'll just go to websites, and that's going to bring us out to our main dashboard here. And what's going to happen is over in your admin area of your site, you're going to go over to settings, and you'll go down to the cron setting, and then you'll just copy this command line here. So I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to say I'm going to find the cron in my settings here, right? So I'm just going to scroll down until I find cron jobs right here. All right. I'm just going to click on that. This is pretty simple process here. I don't need to update my email or anything like that. I'm going to say, let's do twice per hour. So we'll do something like that. And then our command is the line that I had you copy. So boom right there, and then add new cron job. That simple. And that's it right there, right? So that's how you're going to set up your cron job so that your store automatically updates, so that the database connected to your store automatically updates, and you always have an updated store, right? So here you have your design features. You can select a number of different themes here. So there's also an upgrade for Shop Express. You may have seen it, you may not have, but there's an upgrade that allows you to get more themes. So you can just select from the ones that are available. You can upload your logo and your favicon. Your favicon's this little picture up here on the bar here. So if you want a little picture like HostGator has a little gator up here or whatever, you can upload that. It tells you the dimensions that your logo and your favicon need to be. All right. And then for add a product, you may have noticed in Shop Express that you have the ability to not only add Amazon products, but eBay and AliExpress as well. So you can do that there. So you'll just select Amazon, and it's very, very simple, right? So you'll select your, you'll just leave this marketplace the same. All right, and then you'll put in your affiliate ID here. So whatever it is, my affiliate ID dash 21. All right, whatever it is, you can just copy and paste your Amazon affiliate ID there, and then just click on save. Okay, and also there's training on how to do that. Like I said, boom, all the training you could ever ask for. Very good, high quality, step by step, straightforward training. So I highly recommend that you check out that training to be able to add products and go through the settings and all of that good stuff, right? All right, so that's add a product. Now this products tab here is going to be all of the products you have in your store. This is going to be where you add categories and tags and all that good stuff, right? Then you can also automate your store. So let's talk about that for just a second. What you'll be able to do is add a new automation. So you can say, I want 5 products added to my store every single day, or I want 2 products, or I want 10 products, whatever it is that you want. You can have updated and fresh products added to your store on autopilot every single day using this automation feature, right? So be sure to check that out. Again, there is training for how to automate that using the Shop Express software. So make sure you check out the training on that. Then this is where you're going to connect your social media accounts like your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, stuff like that. You'll also be able to check out the stats of your products, so you'll be able to see which ones are the highest performing, which ones are getting the most traffic, which ones are getting the most clicks, all of that stuff. You'll be able to see right under the stats menu. All right, then like I showed you before, you've got settings here, so your social accounts, your affiliate accounts, your business profile, all of that. Then you've got SEO and SMO, right? So definitely take the time to go through all of the Shop Express training. It would literally take me hours to go through all of that with you. So make sure you check out that training there. So that is going to be it for this first video. I hope that you see how simple and easy it is to set up your own Amazon affiliate store in just a few short minutes with just a few short clicks of a button with very limited technical knowledge. Nothing I did there was hard at all. It's all step by step, very simple. It's simple to go by a domain name. It's simple to set up your hosting with that domain name. And all of the things that I showed you with Shop Express are very easy and straightforward. So definitely take the time to watch the Shop Express training, get your store all set up, and I'm going to be emailing you out step 2 very, very soon. So make sure to keep an eye on that email. Make sure that you get all this stuff set up because it's going to be very important for the rest of your training. All right. I hope that you found this first training very useful and helpful. I hope that you see now how quick and easy it is to have a high quality store designed with just a few clicks of a button. You don't have to worry about going out and paying an expensive designer to design you a high quality Amazon affiliate store. You can just do it yourself, very simple and very easy by following the steps in this training. So make sure you do that. Go ahead and play around with everything. Get your store looking the way you want it to. Get some products added to it and get ready to start making money with the Amazon affiliate program very, very quickly with the next training that's coming up. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this training all the way through, and I cannot wait until I see you again. Thank you.